Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Shuttle Runner EA. It's an expert advisor available for MT4 on the MQL5 Marketplace. As we can see on the product page, this EA is currently offered as a free download, and it was developed by Sergey Emolov, and the version listed here is 1.5, which was last updated on January 29th, 2023. Looking through the description, the developer explains that Shuttle Runner EA is based on a swing trading strategy that has reportedly been used by Forex traders since 2009. Okay. So, according to the marketplace information, this EA is described as a revised and improved version of that original strategy. One of the first important notes on the page is that the EA is intended to be used during active market conditions. The developer specifically mentions the European and American trading sessions as the preferred trading periods, while the Asian session is only considered when important economic news is present. The recommendation is to check the economic calendar before launching the EA and start it roughly 1 to 2 hours before significant news events. As I continue through the page, the strategy logic is explained in considerable detail. The EA can begin either with pending orders or direct market orders, depending on the start trade setting. All right. After the first position is opened, the system places an opposite order or specified, it places an opposite pending order a specified distance away using a larger lot size than the original position. The goal, according to the developer, is to offset losses if the market reverses direction. So if price continues moving back and forth within a defined range, the EA can continue placing additional opposite orders while increasing position size according to the configured lot multiplication factor. The marketplace description also states that take profit and stop loss levels are positioned around the channel boundaries, allowing orders within the same channel to be managed together. Moving into the settings section, there are several parameters that control how the strategy operates. Traders can configure how trades begin, choose the order type used for additional channel entries, enable time-based trading, define trading hours, and adjust profit targets. There are also settings for channel spacing, maximum channel repetitions, initial lot size, and the lot multiplication coefficient used for subsequent positions. Another feature highlighted on the page is the GMT broker setting. The developer provides instructions for calculating the correct GMT offset based on broker server time. This allows the trading schedule to align properly with the intended market sessions. The marketplace page also outlines the recommended trading conditions. The developer states that the time frame does not matter, while the preferred trading hours are the European and American sessions. Additional recommendations include a broker that reduces margin requirements for opposite positions, a leverage level of 1 to 500, and a minimum deposit of 10,000 units or approximately $100 on a cent account. Okay, now let us move over to the backtesting section. As I review the historical backtest results and the chart activity, it's useful to compare what we're going to be seeing with the strategy explanation provided by the developer. Okay, since we don't have any tester report presented here, we'll just head over to our platform, our strategy tester. Let's see how the Shuttle Runner EA performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months using the every tick modeling. So from the report here, we can see that initial deposit is $10,000, total net profit is 196.27. Total trades taken were 112, out of which 77 were profitable. That gave us a 68.75% win rate. The largest profit was $444, largest loss $419.2, average profit $28.81, and the average loss $57.77. So in this case, the average risk to reward ratio is bad because we can see that the average loss is greater than the average profit. But let's go turn on the visuals so that we can also see this EA in action. Okay, so the historical trade placements appear to reflect the channel-based approach described on the marketplace page, where positions can be opened in opposing directions as price moves within a defined range. Looking at the chart history, the behavior of the EA seems heavily dependent on how price interacts with those channel boundaries. Since the strategy is designed around active market sessions and directional movement after economic events, historical performance will naturally depend on the specific market conditions present during the test period. Now, one thing I would still recommend is running longer term testing yourself. Broader testing periods can provide a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments and varying levels of volatility. When reviewing the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that these are historical backtest results only. Future performance can differ significantly based on market conditions, broker execution quality, spread levels, slippage, lot sizing choices, leverage, and user optimization. Okay, so overall, the Shuttle Runner EA presents a very transparent marketplace description, with the developer openly explaining how the strategy operates and how the key settings influence execution. We can even see the strategy at work, and the whole lot sizing and setting opposite trades and all of that alongside the TP and SL. Okay, so if you are interested in a channel based approach that focuses on active market sessions and configurable position management, it's worth exploring further through your own testing and evaluation before considering any live deployment of the Shuttle Runner Expert Advisor. Okay, so now if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.